Tasha, back with another freaking banger, y'all. I know y'all read that title. I know y'all saw that thumbnail. I know that y'all know that your girl is about to get that ass. But before your girl gets into it, I'm gonna need y'all to make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe if you are new on the road to 200K. So if you are here and you are not subscribed, please make sure you smash it one time for your girl. Also make sure you smash the bell so you can be one of the first in the buildings to catch us in the live premieres. Smash that bell, you gotta make it go ring, ding dong. Hey, great, goody, ding, ding, dong. Smash the bell, y'all, and post notification gang. Post notification shout outs go to Lovely Lisa, Damian Han, Hate on Nate, Jerica, and Kayla C. Thank y'all so much for showing us so much love down in the comment section below. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. And if you would like a shout out in an upcoming video, just make sure your post notifications are set to on and you are hashtagging post notification gang down in the comment section below. Today your girl is about to be getting Brock with, I don't know what I'm gonna title it yet, but it's gonna be something like giving my sleeping boyfriend CPR using the plunger, or using a plunger to give my boyfriend, my sleeping boyfriend CPR. Something like that, I'm not sure. Y'all catch the drift though. We are about to be using a plunger to give Brock CPR. It is going to be a freaking banger because y'all know Team Tasha only comes with nothing but freaking bangers. Period. Y'all know how Team Tasha get down. So look, this is what I'm gonna do. Brock fell asleep editing his video because he's trying to get his video out to y'all, right? So he done knocked out on the couch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just act like I've been trying to wake him up and he wasn't responding. So I'm gonna fill this with water and fart spray. And we gonna go downstairs and give Brock CPR like he wasn't responding. I had been trying to wake him up. And this is, I found this and I used this, the plunger to bring you back to life. Yay, don't you love me?
Nope.
Okay, he gonna be mad. Y'all know it is going to be an epic freaking banger. Y'all know his reaction is going to be crazy as hell. So make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and we gonna get straight into it.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Bruh.
3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You okay? You alright? Oh my God, babe! Oh my God!
What was that?
You okay? Babe! Oh, you didn't wake up, babe. Are you alright? Are you okay? Are you
Tasha,
okay?
what was that?
You
Tasha, why
didn't
she
wake up?
said that?
You weren't waking up. Are
Tasha,
you
what
okay? What is wrong? Babe.
Ow!
Babe, are you okay? Are you alright? I had to give you CPR.
What the that smell?
Huh? What?
Oh, what is
I had
that?
to give you CPR. You wasn't waking up.
What happened?
You was
What
knocked
happened?
out. You wasn't waking up. I tried to wake you up like 4 times.
What the f is
You
that?
okay?
Oh, that's what
Yeah, it's a little, I didn't know what else to do to use the compressions. I didn't know what else to use the compressions for CPR. You know, I ain't never did CPR before, so I used the toilet plunger. My bad. It's just a little doo-doo, but you alive. Oh! You alive. No, man. You alive.
Surprise, motherfucker.
You made it. I saved your life. I saved your life.
Oh, hell no.
It's a little doo-doo.
Lying.
It's just a little doo-doo, but I saved you.
Bruh.
I saved your life. You alright?
You beat my goddamn fucking wrong sleep.
I didn't beat you.
What's wrong with
I
you?
was giving you CPR. I was 1, 2, 3. I was giving you CPR. 1, 2, 3. I was bringing you back to life, getting your heart to pumping. Your heart has stopped pumping.
I swear to God.
Your heart wasn't pumping. You good?
Bro, you nasty as hell. What's wrong with you, bro?
You good?
No, I'm not
You
good.
alive?
Bro, man.
Shit.
Man. Hell's wrong with you, man.
Brock.
What's wrong with you? What you mean, man?
Why would you do that? I didn't just put it on you just because I was trying to save your life.
Okay, all right. Wake the fuck up.
What you mean?
What is you doing?
You weren't Brock. You weren't breathing. I tried to wake you up and you weren't doing anything. What else was I supposed to do?
Beat my ass. Pile of doo-doo and shit.
I didn't beat your ass with a pile of doo-doo. I was trying to get your heart back to pumping with the plunger. That's what I was trying to do. I just wanted to get your heart back to pumping. I couldn't lose my man. Oh! My man, my man, my man. You know I love my motherfucking man. I'm so happy to have you back, babe.
It stick like, so you gonna what?
I just grabbed it real quick. I didn't have time to look at it and see what was going on with it. I just needed something to get your chest back to pumping. And you were back alive.
Did you tap me and say Brock?
I did. Like,
Shit, bro.
stop, bro.
Stop.
Stop. You're not
No,
listening.
you're not looking alive.
You might need to go to the
You're
doctor.
not looking alive right
Something
now.
was wrong. I
Tasha,
called you like 5 times.
Tasha, only thing wrong is I got with a crazy motherfucker like you to try to keep me in my sleep with a powder shit.
Oh.
You try to suffocate me with a powder shit. What's wrong with you?
That's what you gonna
You didn't say nothing goddamn life. I was alive. I was
You
alive.
were not alive, Brock. I called you.
I'm alive. How you say I'm alive?
I saved you. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Okay.
You were not alive before I
You started
saved
to turn
you.
blue. You started to turn
Stop
blue.
playing.
Your face started to turn blue. I'm about to plunge your
What
nose.
I'm telling you.
I'm about to plunge Tasha. I'm not playing around Tasha.
Stop playing.
How you gonna tell me stop playing around? You gonna plunge my goddamn face?
Because you weren't breathing. Calm down. Sit down. Sit
Come
down.
on. So you gonna throw shit on me?
I didn't.
You got shit on your cheek, you nasty mother.
Oh, why would you do that? Why would you do that?
I didn't do that shit, bro. You gonna hit me with a punch? Oh, you nasty mother. I swear to God.
Because I didn't put it on you on purpose. I was trying to save your whole life, Brock.
I swear to God.
I was trying to save you. No,
How you trying to save my life?
What is wrong?
And you gonna smack me in the goddamn chest with a plunger?
I didn't smack you with the plunger.
It got dude, why you might out first?
I didn't have time to look at the plunger
You
and
don't
see
know
all that.
CPR?
Yes, I did.
That's not CPR.
2, 3. Let go. 1, 2, 3. After about the third 1, 2, 3, you came back. We need to frame this
Tasha.
motherfucker after we wash it. You got a gang of doodle on it. That's
Tasha,
good.
that's not fucking CPR. That's shit PR.
What's
wrong
that
with you?
different? Brought your shit back to life.
What's
You
wrong
over
with
here.
you?
No.
Okay. Stay right there.
Calm down.
Stay right there. I swear to God.
Brock, I ain't never met a nigga mad that somebody brought him, so you trying to leave us? Is that what you trying to do? You don't want to be here no more?
I know I'm finna smack you with a handful
I'm
of
telling you, I
handful of
just
shit
saved
street.
your life with this plunger.
I'm finna smack you with a handful of shit street. You turning blue.
Are you not listening?
You turning blue. Are you not listening?
I should've
You
let
turning blue.
I should have let you meet that nigga. I I should have let you meet your maker.
Tasha, you do CPR with your goddamn hands, not a shit. Yeah. No, watch out, man.
No?
Watch out. Get away.
That's not
Let me
what
go take a shower.
Are you sure? Because I fell asleep the other night and I was watching an episode of Martin and he did CPR with the plunger. I was like, that's bright as hell.
Watch out. Move out of my goddamn way. So you gonna throw a whole pile of wet shit on me? Why am I wet?
Huh? So I might have just pulled it out of the toilet because I wanted to clean it. I didn't have time to go to the sink and clean it, so I just rushed it around the toilet like this real quick. And then I came and did it. My bad. I didn't know all that piss and toilet water was gonna fall on you. My bad.
So you gonna tell me
I'm sorry.
while I'm down here asleep, you in the middle of you taking this shit, like obviously with shit still in the guy. I don't understand how the shit on the goddamn thing still.
You would know a shit booty ass. That ain't my boo-boo. Oh! My boo-boo don't ever smell. I smell like roses, man. I don't smell like that.
Boy, if you don't
y'all stanky ass.
So you gonna blame that on me, damn baby?
I'm not blaming nothing on you. What I'm saying is
that was clearly your doodle thinking. That shit's not looking like that this morning.
You clearly I need some praise for saving your life. You would be gone right now, is what I'm saying.
Because of your shit PR, I don't give a damn about your shit PR.
Right, you weren't breathing, is what I'm saying. Your chest was not pumping.
I don't fucking believe
I had to pump your chest. That's what I'm saying. Pump your chest. That's what I'm saying. I'm getting tired of this shit because I done told you over and over again. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. Stop. You go, Frank. Why would you get chocolate all on my... Oh! Hey! Now I look like I boo-booed on myself.
That was a good prank, Tasha.
Cause who told your ass to fall asleep? I told you you wasn't gonna finish that damn video. I told you to bring your ass to bed,
plunge me in the
but
face.
you don't never want to listen.
But you plunged me in the face with a goddamn dirty ass plunger.
Oh, it's another bud. It's not the bud.
Watch out, bro. Watch out.
Stop playing, bro.
How you gonna hit me and you plunge me?
I saved your life.
You did shit PR life. You didn't say shit.
Saved your motherfucking life. Is what I'm saying.
I'll be back.
Oh, it was a prank, babe. No, but it was a prank. But it was a prank. Come here. Babe. Stop playing. It was a prank. Babe.
Now you got me.
What you in the bathroom doing? Come out the bathroom. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. BT gang. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Click that notification bell so y'all know when your girl dropping bangers, because you know your girl drops nothing but freaking bangers. And what you do? Bro. I'm not going nowhere.
That's your old ass bag. You still got about two shirts and one pair of drawers in that motherfucker. Get your ass out, bro. You gonna smack me in the goddamn face with a shit booty ass.
I said it was a prank.
It's still sitting with a plunge.
Oh! It's a new plunger.
Okay. When I come back down, your ass better be gone.
I'm not going nowhere. So what you gonna do?
Okay. We'll see.
Okay, BT gang, like I was saying, like, comment, share, subscribe. Rock is all bitter and salty. And I told y'all he wake up grumpy as hell. So he a little grumpy right now. He gonna be okay. He just got. Tell him, Team Rock, y'all need to spam them Team Tasha's down in the comment section below because I got your boy. Bruh. Yeah, I did. I did that. I did. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Till next time, it's your girl, Tati. Bye, y'all.
Best friend, you're my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she all